Yes, host will do that.
Okay.
Manoj sir, please उनको allow कीजिए. Are you able to share, sir?
No, not yet.
Manoj sir, please उनको allow कीजिए.
तो देख रहा है क्या?
Hello, Manoj sir, can you hear me? Sir, are you able to? No, we.
Not yet. Okay, shall I start till the
Yeah, sir.
technical issue is solved?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I hope so everybody can hear me.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, in this era of COVID, we are going through major challenges in front of us. And one of the challenges is taking the lecture and giving the exam in this tough period. It is very easy to say that everybody is sitting at home and reading, but it is very difficult to stay alone in a room and give the exam. So I will just give us some glimpses about the pharmacology exam for the second year exam going students. There are many hurdles that will come in front of you, like taking the RT-PCR report and so on and so forth. First of all, extremely sorry for joining late because some important issue had come in. Regarding pharmacology exam, the second year MBBS pharmacology is a very important subject. And okay, I will share the screen. Everybody can see the screen.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Okay, so we'll move ahead. Before starting this presentation, I would like to thank Seva Ankur Foundation as well as Dr. Mohit Rojekar sir for giving me the opportunity to discuss the pharmacology exam, how it is to be given in front of all the students. I will also thank our HOD sir, Dr. Varesh sir, for giving me the opportunity to discuss this pharmacology exam in front of you. Okay. So currently you can see a small dot over there. Exams are coming and I'm like, so you're currently over there and I was also currently over there some years ago. So I can changes and what is the anxiety level in me. Now there is one small disclaimer that presentation may not include all relevant facts because of the time limitation, and you are not also expected to have most of the up-to-date research. So there might be some errors of omission, and so kindly permit it. And the permission material provided is just a summary. So you have to add your own inputs in the exam. Okay. Now the views in this following presentation may differ from person to person. So before moving on to how to write a pharmacology theory exam, we will just have a small glimpse of practical exam because I have seen that most of the students they cover up the theory but they flunk in practical exam. So just I will have a small glimpse. So practical exam consists of 26 marks Out of these, 14 marks are Viva, 7 marks for paper 1 and 7 marks for paper 2. And prescription writing is 5 marks. Most of the students can score very well in this prescription writing, in long answer as well as short prescription writing. Long means multiple drug therapy prescription and short means single drug therapy prescription. Also, there is one more chance to score in criticism. So there will be one question on prescription and rewriting of the given prescription. So you have to comment on the prescription. You have to write what are the lacunae regarding the drug, whether the drug given is proper or not, whether the dosage form given is proper or not, and whether it is given to the proper patient that has been asked in the question. And one more important is fixed drug formulation. So fixed drug combination, whenever is asked, you have to write whether it is justified, that is the fixed dose combination is justified or not, yes or no. That is to be first written. Most of the students, they commit one mistake is that whenever they write the fixed dose combination, the fixed dose combination they directly write. But I would like to say that whenever you have ample of time in practical exam, so while writing fixed dose combination, first explain both the drugs, why the need is there to combine both the drugs, and if you combine both the drugs, what are the challenges that can come and what are the advantages and disadvantages. Very good for scoring. In this, graph is one part where you cannot score that much mark, that is out of out. But if you draw the graph properly, you label it properly, and you explain it properly, you can score out of out. Okay. Therapeutic problems, one therapeutic problem might be asked to you. Another scoring point is ADR, that is adverse drug reaction photo might be given to you, and you have to comment on that photo. Okay, so we'll move ahead. This is regarding in short about pharmacology practical exam. Now theory exam, some instructions are given in the university exam that use only blue or black ball pen. Most important, draw diagrams whenever necessary. If you draw the diagrams, it is very important for you to scoring. If you are not able to draw the diagram for that particular question, no problem. You can always draw a flowchart. So a flowchart is also comes handy, and you can always explain it through the way of flowchart. Whenever any person sees that flowchart, he or she can understand the student's basic understanding of that question. Okay, you have to attempt all the questions. Most important, you have to attempt all the questions. So you have to also do time management, and I will also come on time management, how each question, how much marks it has to be then given for LAQ, for SAQ. So I will discuss that also in detail. Most important, do not write anything on the blank portion of the question paper. Okay, do not attempt or write anything on the blank portion of the question paper. It can be a severe grievance if caught. Now, to make things easy, I have done is I have picked up the latest 2019 winter exam, and in that there are SAQs that has been asked and LQs. In that SAQ, first you can see describe the types of drug antagonism, okay, and state their clinical significance. Now, first in this, what is expected? You can see the question is for hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. So the question you can see it is for 4 marks, and we'll move on how the drug antagonism. So first, these 4 marks are divided into describe the types of drug antagonism. That will be for 2 marks, and state their clinical significance. That will be for 2 marks. In this, what do you mean by drug antagonism? And before that, what is antagonism?